Hi everyone, let's just open the PHP Notepad++ actually. So we're just going to learn the PHP. Actually, one thing more which I just have to add, actually I just forgot it to add this name attribute in the select tags. Okay, this is the select tag variable and these are the select tags which actually we will see at the place of the select tag. Okay, where we just have to select the gender, we will see the select tag. The problem is that obviously this is nothing. This is nothing. This tag is nothing. Sorry, this variable is nothing. Actually, instead of this variable, the HTML or the browser will get the select tag, maybe this tag, maybe this tag, or that tag. The problem is that I didn't mention the name, but now I just mentioned the name, gender. The name should be same. Okay, the name is gender, the name is gender, and the name is gender. So this is really fine. But the other thing which I just want to do here, actually, actually I just try to submit another raw. I'm just saving this. Okay, I'm just going to the browser back and just going back to the PHP. Actually, I just tried to submit another new raw. You can see that number 3, the Arnold and HD and the male and AU. Okay, now when I just submitted another record in this way, okay, when I just submitted another new record, the Arnold or whatever, and I selected this country. So now this country is not really important to select because this is a rough tag. In fact, I have to delete that. I'm just going to the new farm.php and I'm just going to delete the first one, okay, the complete farm group, because I got another new farm group instead of that. Okay, so everything is fine now. Just save that and go back to the browser, and I'm refreshing that. Now I got only one country. Okay, now I just typed named Arnold and all other details. When I just selected the country of I just selected the country Australia. Okay, so actually when I just selected Australia, then I just refreshed that. Now I got Arnold and this email and the general mail, but instead of country I got AU. Okay, when I just click on access, now I got the name, all the things. The subject is check this out, and the general mail, and the skill is Shazay, because I still didn't do anything with the skills, by the way, but the country is AU here. So how to get the perfect result? Instead of AU, I just want the complete name. Okay, the AU is the backend name, which should not be everywhere. So I'm just going to the user details page. I'm just opening the user detail here. Now what I have to do, actually, I just have to stop the echo here, okay, and have to start the echo from here again in this way, echo. Interestingly, this is not really hard but really simple, that I just simply stop the echo from here and just start it back from there. And in fact, I should cut that and should paste that here in that line. This is not a problem, and just have to cut that and just paste here in that line, which is not a problem. Okay, now I just got only one line. Now what I'm just going to do is, actually, I'm just cutting this. But the interesting thing is, actually, I just did everything with the gender. I have to do this with country, so I'm just going back a little because this is not really necessary to do with the gender there. I just have to go to the country. Okay, I'm just closing the, wait for a while, yeah, the echo. I just closed the echo there. Okay, and just started the echo. After this, the another raw. Okay, this raw. Now I'm just not copying these raws, pasting these raws on in the echoes, the previous ones, but actually I'm just starting to, I'm just creating a new variable here. I'm just typing select country, okay, and equal to, and actually I'm just selecting all the countries now. Select all from countries. Okay, this is the name of the data table. Okay, now actually I'm just in the details.php page, and I'm just typing select all from countries, but here I'm just adding a clause of where. Okay, where the country code is equals to, now the country code is equal to, I'm just copying this. Okay, or by default I'm just typing, no matter that if I just copy or no, $raws, and here the country, that we are in the double quote, so we don't need to concatenate or do any other thing. So by the way, this is the perfect way. Now what more I have to do? Actually, as you know that only one raw will be selected because the country code is actually will match with only one raw. This country belongs to the old one. Okay, which is the old one? This is the old one, the comments. So we are in the comments table here, and this country, this raw which has the country table, which has the country column, is belongs to actually the comments table. So here I'm just adding dollar run country and equals to sign and the MySQLi QUERY and just dollar CONN and cell country. Okay, that is perfect. What I'm just going to do more here, adding the while loop, and here in the first one I'm just typing C raws. Okay, and here I'm just pressing in space and the equal sign and MySQLi fetch a sock tch a sock. Okay, that is more perfect. Now here I'm just adding the run country and save that, and here what I'm just going to do is echo and simply copy or cut that. Okay, whole country data, paste that here. Okay, now what I'm just going to do here, I just want to get the country name. Okay, now country name, and here the C raws. Actually, you know that this C raws is coming from the countries table. Okay, and actually there are approximately 242 countries in the table, so everything is really fine. Let's just go to the browser and refresh that. Now I just got the Australia. Okay, really simple, and everything has been done by the help of this where clause. So I hope you understood how I did that. Now I'm just going to the index.php, because here in the index.php I'm getting the country code here as well. So where is the area where I'm just getting the country? This is the area where I'm just getting the country. So press and enter, and again do the same thing. Just close the echo and start the echo from here, and here I'm just creating another new variable, and I'm just typing the same thing. Select all. From which table? From countries. Okay, where actually country code, okay, will be in the matching of the dollar. Oh, before that just add the single quotes, and now raws country. Okay, simply country. Actually, you know that the country is AU, and I'm just telling that where the country code will match with the country of the comments table, I will get the result. Dollar run country and equals to MySQLi QUERY, and let's just type CONN and dollar cell country. Oh no, not in this way. Country. Okay, that is perfect. And here press and enter and put the while, and then I'm just adding here the raws or the C raws. I'm doing the same which I just did before, and MySQLi fetch a sock, and then here the run country. Okay, now simply just add an echo and just actually cut that the whole TD and just paste it here. And obviously the raws is actually belongs to the comments table, so I'm just adding C raws, which actually belongs to the countries table. And here in the countries table there isn't any country, the country code or the country name. I just want the country name. Okay, now let's just refresh that. Now I got the countries, the Bermuda and the Australia as well. So now if you just want to edit one, the Shazib Kamal Arnold, you can easily do by clicking on edit. So I hope you understood how to do all that things. We'll learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.